Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we will start a new lesson, that is the fifth lesson, and that is probability. Okay. Before the lesson, just listen first. Before 3 to 4 days, I got message from some students, and they messaged me that, so it was a long time that we have not heard a story from you. So can you do it for us in the next lecture? I replied them, yes, I will do that. Now I am telling to them, to those students, just remember that. Just you feel the need. I am always there to fulfill your need. Because always I want you in such a place there where I want you to be. So I will give my best, I will try my best to fulfill your need. Now the story is not other things, it's about the situation created within this some days. What the situation? When I upload the videos, I got a message that, sir, the sound is not clear. Sir, the video is not that proper. We are not able to listen. We are not able to understand. Like this, the message I got. I am saying to those students, just remember that it's not a pre-planned thing. I never thought that I will going to teach you like this. I never thought that. The situation made me to do this. And if I think about the messaging, the maths is not possible to do by messaging. You can't do the maths. You can do the questions only. The questions you can do. I can do solve the question, click the photo, I will send you, copy that, it's okay. But to make you understand the question, I have to go for the basic. And that I want to be explained, not to be message that I do. In place of x2 you got the answer. What is that meaning? Then you will got the by head knowledge that by putting this you will got the knowledge. But why should you put and what is the reason why? The reason you have to remember. So I tried this thing, but there are some problems I got. This story may be convince the students, they will not feel the problem the next time. Okay, this story about the time of Mahabharata. At that time, you know that Mahabharata time, 5 Pandavas are there and 100 Kauravas are there. They are learning, they are studying with the teacher Dronacharya. Once Dronacharya want to take a test of them. So what he did, Dronacharya called all the students and said that on the top of the tree there is a bird made by the cook. You have to hit the eye of the bird with your arrow. Eye of the bird with the arrow. So everyone got ready with that arrow and bow. When they aimed to the bird, Dronacharya called one by one and asked them what you are seeing on that tree. Some student replied that we can see the bird. Soma replied that the bird is so small we see the branch. And Soma also replied that we see the tree, sir. So when they allowed to hit the bird, those are saying we are seeing the bird, they hit the bird. Those are saying we are seeing the branch, they hit the branch. Those are saying we can see the tree, they hit any part of the tree. At last, Dronacharya called Arjun. All the teachers doing like this somewhere. When they know that the student can do, they keep it as the last because they want to take the test of other student. So when he called the Arjun and asked him what you are saying in that, the Arjun replied that I can see the eye of the bird. When he allowed to hit, Arjun hit the exact middle portion of the eye. So why I am telling this story, just remember the thing that when you focus on our work, we will get it properly. Sometimes you will observe that you are sitting at home, so a far distance, a small bit of music comes to your ear. Small bit of music. You are concentrating more on that music, you are getting that, and later on it is more higher volume otherwise you know just listen very bigger. You can sing the song according to that beat, that small beat. The reason is that you are concentrating, full concentration gives towards that one. So what I am telling you, when you are observing the video, just try to avoid the surrounding things. That means some students are there maybe doing like this, they are seeing the video and the teacher also working on them. That is the first part. Sometimes some different people are talking each other, they are studying in that place. So they get distracted from the study. So I'll inform you, just remember that when you are observing the video, try to focus, try to concentrate your study and concentrate your mind on that study only. So I feel that, I hope that you will get the 100% whatever I am teaching. Because you are getting two things. That sound also there, that means audio is there, and visual also there. You can see that. That means if you combine it 100%. The only problem is that you are not concentrating on the study. So I hope you all will go through this. That means when you observe my video, that time you concentrate only on this video, only leave other part of the surrounding. So I know they will do the better. I hope for that. So we'll start the lesson. And the moral is that always try to concentrate on the thing what you are going to do. Okay, today we will start the probability. The lesson in probability means that possibility. Possibility means chances. That also you can say chances. But doing something have so many chances to get the answer. Like an example, if I say that there will be a match between India and Pakistan, who is going to be win? If I ask about the India, you will say that until unless the match finishes, you can't say that India will win or India will lose. There the 50-50 chances are there, and that is the probability. Probability मतलब इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं संभाव्य. That means कितना संभाव्य है जीतने का, ना सर जब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ तब तो बोलेंगे जीत भी सकते हैं हार भी सकते हैं. If I toss a coin, so there are two probability. One is the head, another is the tail. Until unless it's on the ear, जब तक ये air में है, we have a calculation that head भी आ सकता है, tail भी आ सकता है. When it touches the ground and be placed in the ground, that time you can see the number one thing. That means that is not the probability, that is the event. We learn that. And the first exercise is nothing difficult. First we go for the probability meaning. Then first exercise, there is no formula, nothing. Just you have to remember what are the probability means possibility. If I say that I want to visit my native place on next month, what is my probability? So I can say that I have 30 probability because the next month means June, and that is 30 days. I can go on the 1st of June, 2nd of June, any day of the month. Until unless I want, जब तक मैं चला नहीं गया हूँ, अगर मैं चला गया हूँ, हाँ सर आपके 3 को चलेंगे. That means that will be the event, particular होता है. Probability means काम होने से पहले जो हम सोच सकते हैं. If I say that next week, that means the coming week, I will take the test of your. So the probabilities are I can take the test on Monday, on Tuesday, and Wednesday, any day of the next week, from Monday to Sunday. But when I took the test, that means on Monday, that means it's clear that Monday was test okay. But until unless that we have the probability that any one day you can take. That means how many probability we have? 7 probability. Because from Monday to Sunday, that will be 7. So like this, the first exercise is a very easy exercise. You have to do that. Some second exercise, otherwise we will go for some little bit formula, definition and other. See the first exercise. Again, this much question are there in the first exercise. See what is written over here. It's written that how many possibilities are there in each of the following. हर एक जितना दिया हुआ उसमें कितने possibilities है, बस उसको लिखना है. The first one is the very easy because it's given already. When I go for the second one, no, that will be a little bit. If the week is given, you write on this, but you have written also. Vanita knows the following site of in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Then the sites are there. The possibility, what are there? These all are the possibilities. Simple, you will write here. Possibilities are बस मैं कर्ली ब्रैकेट राइट ऑल दिस these all are the possibilities. इसमें से वो कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं. Second question if I say any day of a week to be select randomly. Any day of the week means you write here possibilities are Monday to you write up to Sunday. ये सब मेरे लिए possibility. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. 52 cards are और तो कोई नहीं होगा. Simply you write possibilities are कितने possibility है हमारे पास? 52 possibility है. ये कार्ड कितने हैं? 52 cards. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select the card randomly. 10 20 number दे दिया लिखा हुआ. So we'll write here possibilities are 10, 11, 12, 13, like this up to 20. ये हमारे लिए possibility. तो देखो first exercise में क्या है? This is question that how many possibilities? कितने possibilities हैं? We'll write also here. How many are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possibilities are. ऐसे करके लिखो. Then any day you will write the 7 possibilities are. That number as well as what are they? Your possibilities are 52 possibilities are 52 cards. क्योंकि 52 कार्ड का कोई नेमिंग नहीं होता. Your from 10 to 20 how many numbers are there? 11 possibilities are. 10 to 20 remember 11 are there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, that 20. That means 11. So 11 possibilities are these are. Actually question asking about the numbers only. You have to write the numbers as well as that what are the possibilities. Now the second exercise is the important thing. For the second exercise, you have to learn the basic of this lesson. In case of probability, first we will learn some words in the probability. The first word comes in the probability is a sample space. What is the meaning of sample space? Sample space means that it is all possible condition or event also equals condition of event. That means if I say that next week I am going to take a test, तो हमारे सैंपल स्पेस में क्या आएगा ना मंडे से लेकर संडे तक सब आएगा. When I say that I will take the test on the third day of the week, that means it's clear that I will take the test on Wednesday, and that will be the event. But हमारे पास अभी कितने events हैं? 7 events. Example, if I say that I throw a dice, I throw a die. That means the sample space will be denoted as the smallest. S will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all possible event. It's all possible condition. जब तक रोल हो रहा है वो डाय तक रोल सोचेंगे 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 भी आ सकता है, 4 भी आ सकता है, लाइक दैट मींस जितने भी पॉसिबल तुम सोच सकते हो उस चीज को लेकर. अगर मैंने बोला if I say that next month I want to visit my native place, what is the possibilities? What is the sample space? From 1 to 30 I have the possibility. I can go on any day. I am not given the proper that on that day I will go. I said that I will go on next month. That means that 30 days possibilities are there. So you got the sample space. Next is the event. Already written over there. Event means each and every, each number or each object also you can say. Number और कोई object क्योंकि यहाँ पे number नहीं होता, दूसरा ही होता है. Each object, each number are the event. हर एक चीज इसमें ये देखो 1 एक इवेंट है, 2 एक इवेंट है, 3 एक इवेंट है, 4 एक इवेंट है, 5 एक इवेंट. ये सब एक इवेंट होते हैं. जितने भी इसमें से नंबर होते हैं सब क्या होते हैं इवेंट. बस ये दो चीज को याद रखना. अभी हमको क्वेश्चन में क्या करना होगा? तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन दैट राइट द sample space and some conditions will be given according to that which events are satisfied with this condition. If I say that write the event A of even number, if I answer that in this case what are the even number? 2, 4, 6. That means this A event said that in that we will write this 3. हर एक कोई इवेंट होता है. अभी इसमें जो कंडीशन दिया उसी हिसाब से जो इवेंट रहेंगे उसमें हमको लिखना है. बस यही है सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. नथिंग डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है. Some samples was given in the textbook. You have to go for it. Otherwise, I will write. But better the textbook is and the textbook is given. See, 1 coin toss. 1 coin toss means head and tail. When there are 2 coin toss, 2 coin means possibly that, and the both will be head will come, and both will be tail will come. Other possibilities there, and the first may be the head and second tail. Otherwise, first tail and second head, like this. You have to think. Just you have to think. Then you will get that. These are possibilities. The other possibilities are not there. When the 3 coin are tossed, तो ऐसा हो सकता है तीनों मैच होगा, दोनों मैच एक में टी होगा, पहले मैच फिर बीच में टी फिर एच होगा. इससे कोई डिफरेंट है. कोई एक सिंपल सेम नहीं है. कभी सेम नंबर रिपीट नहीं होता है प्रोबेबिलिटी में. रिमेंबर. Now to write this one, it's very difficult to remember. Now I'm saying the simple step to write this one. Third one, 3 coin are tossed. That time. Simple, you go for like this. What I'm saying. Okay. But it's given 3 coin. Just remember, for the 3 coin, sample space. That means S is equals to. We'll write like this. See, X, 11 plus X, X, X. 4 times X. 4 times T. Then 2 times X. X की बाजू में 2 times X, 2 times T. नीचे भी सेम 2 times X, 2 times T. Again 1 time. 1 times X, 1 times T. 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 Why the 3 will come here? Because we are crossing 3 corners. तो तीनों चीज दिखना चाहिए इसमें. तो तीनों चीजें तो सबके सब अलग अलग है. अब देखते हैं टेस्ट में. Exactly same. ये easy method how to write this. See here. Triple X, HST, HTX, T double X, here T double X, H double T, here H double T. TXT, here TXT, TTX, here TTX, triple T. That means to remember this will be too difficult. So to easy that, what you have to do? Write 4X, then 4T, 2X, 2T, material there, 2X, 2T, and the last one will be single X T, single X, single T, single X, single T, single X, single T. Got it? How to write the sample space? Now second, a die is true. लूडो तो हम कहते हैं ना, उसको अगर हम कहते हैं तो 1 2 3 4 5 6. But it's given that 2 die are true. Now see a sample space, bigger sample space. तो दो चीज हम फेंकेंगे तो दोनों का प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा? ना मे बी फर्स्ट में 1, सेकंड में 1 आ सकता है. फर्स्ट में 1 के साथ सेकंड में कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. फिर सेकंड फर्स्ट के 2 के साथ सेकंड का भी कोई भी नंबर, 3 के साथ, दैट मींस दीस आर द पॉसिबिलिटी. तो हमने क्या 36 possibility because both having the 6 probability. देखो 1 कॉइन में कितना होता है 2 सैंपल्स, कितना होता है 2। जब 2 कॉइन हो गया तब कितना हो गया 4। क्यों हो गया ना, एक कॉइन में 2 होता है, दूसरे कॉइन में 2 होगा, 2 2 जा 4, तो 3 कॉइन हो गया। जब एक कॉइन में 2 होता है, दूसरे में 2, तीसरे में 2, दैट मींस 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, तो कितना होगा इसमें 8 1 2, यहाँ पे हम लोग ना 4 4 लिखे थे, दैट मींस 80 हो गया। जब एक डायग्राम कितना होता है 6, ऐसे 2 डायग्राम में कितना होगा 6 into 6, दैट विल बी 36। A card drawn from a deck of 52 cards, that means 1, okay 25 cards from 1 to 25, so 1 to 25. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The 52 cards, I will do this card some, and later on I will use the diagram of the card. How to remember this card? It's really difficult. Each and every card having different thing. You have to remember that. First, go for the question of this exercise. See, I hope you will do that order because it's an easy exercise, and this lesson is the easiest lesson in the algebra. First question is given. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space and the number of sample point. That means sample space means you will write this all. Number of sample point means how many are there. Just to count. If I say over there 1 2 3 4 5 6, so how many sample point? That will be 6. कितना है इसमें नंबर 6। If I say the sample space is Monday to Sunday, how many sample point? That will be 7। कितने इवेंट्स है इसके अंदर, इसको बोलते हैं सैंपल पॉइंट। हर एक पॉइंट कितने पॉइंट है ना 7 पॉइंट्स। ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously। देखो इसमें क्या किया है, एक कॉइन और एक डाई दोनों साथ में रखा हुआ है। सो इफ आई राइट दैट, आई कैन राइट योर s is equals to x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6 t1 t2 t3 t4 t5 t6। Why written all this like this? When the one coin is written, that means head and tail is written. When it's one die is written, that means 1 to 6 is written. That means head के साथ 1 से लेकर 6 तक भी आ सकता है और tail के साथ 1 से लेकर 6 तक आ सकता है। So how is the number of sample point? That will be 12। ऊपर 6 से नीचे 6। अभी कैसे कंफर्म करें, इससे फॉर्मूला बताया था हमने। देखो कॉइन का कितना होता है 2, एस का कितना होता है 6, तो कितना होना चाहिए हमारे पास 12। 12 नंबर्स है हमारे पास। दैट मींस जो भी दिया होगा तो सोचेंगे उसके साथ क्या क्या हो सकता है, कितना प्रॉब्लम पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है। 2 डिजिट नंबर आर फॉर्म्ड यूजिंग द डिजिट 2 3 5। हमारे पास डिजिट्स है 2 3 5, इसको लेकर हमको 2 डिजिट बनाना है विदाउट रिपीटिंग एन डिजिट। दैट मींस डिजिट को रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए, विदाउट रिपीटिंग ए डिजिट। अगर डिजिट को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे इसका मतलब कैसा है, 22 नहीं आना चाहिए, 33 नहीं आना चाहिए, 55 नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि रिपीट नहीं होगा। ओके, वहां पर कितना होगा 22 नहीं आना चाहिए, 33 नहीं आना चाहिए, 55 नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसमें क्या हो रहा है डिजिट रिपीट हो रही है बार बार। तो हम क्या क्या सब सोच सकता है ना, आई कैन राइट शुरू फॉर्म स्टार्ट करेंगे 2 से, 2 3 ये 2 डिजिट नंबर है, फिर 2 करेंगे 2 5। जब हम 2 को पहले लिए तब 2 नंबर उसके साथ आते हैं। जब हम 3 को लेंगे 3 2 3 5, जब हम 5 को लेंगे 5 2 5 3, जब हम 2 लिए 2 3 2 2 तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि उसने मना कर दिया रिपीटेशन, ये वर्ड लिखा हुआ है विदाउट रिपीटिंग इट। अगर विदाउट नहीं होता तो फिर हम 2 लेते 2 3 2 5, जब 3 लेंगे तो 3 2 3 5, 3 3 नहीं होगा, 5 2 and 5। So what is the number of sample point? It will be 6। sample point कितना होगा 6 होगा। Now see this diagram. It's given that the arrow is rotated and stops randomly on the disc. Find out which color it will stop. That means हमको इसका सैंपल स्पेस लिखना है। सैंपल स्पेस में क्या आएगा? सिंपल ऑल आर द पॉसिबिलिटी, जब घूम रहा है तो किसी में आ सकता है। सो राइट एनी ऑल द कलर्स, रेड, ऑरेंज, विल राइट रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, पर्पल। देन व्हाट आर द सैंपल पॉइंट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now the third one is the important one, remember. यहाँ पे दिखता नहीं होगा कभी। सैंपल स्पेस का मतलब समझना है, सारे कलर लिखना है और नंबर सैंपल कितना होगा? 6 होगा। मैं बोल भी दिया और बता सैंपल पॉइंट में क्या होगा ना, रेड ऑरेंज करके सर्कल में लिखना था और सैंपल पॉइंट में कितने थे कलर? 6 कलर। Okay. Now the third one. In the month of March 2019, find the dates on which the date is a multiple of 5. अभी हमको उसको सैंपल स्पेस में लिखना है जो 5 के मल्टीपल है। इसी का गिवन पैर इन द कैलेंडर। 5 के मल्टीपल मतलब कौन सा होता है? ये देखना है 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30। अब इसका क्या लिखना है? Find the days. इसका हमको डेज लिखना है, ये डेट नहीं लिखना है। तो मींस आवर सैंपल स्पेस पे लिख दी। फर्स्ट 5 किसमें आया था? ट्यूसडे में। सेकंड 10 किसमें आया था? संडे में। थर्ड 15 किसमें आया था? फ्राइडे में। फोर्थ 20 किसमें आया था? वेडनेसडे में। फिफ्थ 25 किसमें आया था? मंडे में। 30 किसमें आया था? सैटरडे। अगर कभी कभी यहाँ पे मान लेते हैं ये 20 अभी यहाँ पे आ जाता तो हम ट्यूसडे को 2 बार ले लेते क्योंकि इसमें डबल रिपीट नहीं होता। अभी तो सब अलग अलग है इसलिए हम लिख दी। तो एन ऑफ एस कितना हो जाएगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6। हमने कितना डेज लिखा? 6 डेज। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। is written from a form a road safety committee of 2। दो लोग का रोड सेफ्टी कमेटी बनेगा। जब तुम्हारे पास क्या है? 2 बॉयज हैं और 2 गर्ल्स हैं, लेकिन हमको बनना 2 का, बट है हमारे पास 4 लोग। कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटी, राइट द सैंपल स्पेस। मान लेते हैं मैंने बोला उस कमेटी में सिर्फ बॉयज रहेंगे तो सिंपली हमने G1 G2 को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, बी G1 G2 नहीं करेंगे तो अपने रहेंगे। अगर मेरा नहीं है बॉयज नहीं चाहिए हमको गर्ल्स करना है, दैट मींस G1 G2 करेंगे। नहीं अगर किसने बोला नहीं, इसमें पहले ब्रैकेट में डाल देंगे 1 बॉय एंड 1 गर्ल। एक लड़का होना चाहिए एक लड़की होना चाहिए। तो हमारे पास पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है ना, हम B1 G1 भी ले सकते हैं, B1 के साथ G2 को भी ले सकते हैं। दैट मींस फर्स्ट बॉयज के साथ दोनों गर्ल्स आ सकते हैं तो एक कमेंट बन जाएगा। फिर सेकंड बॉय के साथ दोनों गर्ल्स हो सकते हैं। That means if I think about the sample space, पूरा पॉसिबिलिटी बस इतना ही है, बॉयज का बन सकता है गर्ल्स का बन सकता है, दोनों मिला के बना सकते हैं। तो पूरा सैंपल स्पेस क्या हो जाएगा? ऑल व्हाटएवर इज इन द बॉक्स B1 B2 G1 G2 B1 G1 B1 G2 B2 G1 B2 G2। दैट मींस पूरा ये जो 6 हमने यहाँ पे लिखे थे ये हमारे लिए पूरा सैंपल स्पेस है। इतना ही पॉसिबिलिटी है, इससे ज्यादा कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है। पॉसिबिलिटी का मतलब होता है 4, हम इतना ही बना सकते हैं, इससे ज्यादा कोई बना नहीं सकता। सो वी फिनिश सेकंड एक्सरसाइज। दैट मींस फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एक्सरसाइज आर द इजीएस्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस लेसन। थर्ड फोर्थ will go for little different, next class will go for that. Just you try to solve this and whatever I said in the starting, just remember that if you concentrate on the video, no, you will get 100% what I am trying to say, what I am trying to make you understand. I hope you all will do, and next time I get a better result that yes sir you got everything and whatever you tried you understood and you did also. Okay, hope for the next time.